Back away for fathers to try and reconnect with their children is underway here in southeast Wisconsin, especially for fathers whose children are in foster care. Mandy Bebo and Rick Lockwood are here from Children's Service Society of Wisconsin. Thanks so much for being here. Interesting topic as we talk about this all the time, the need for fathers to stay connected with their children. Mandy, just kind of give us an overview of the program. Who are we talking about here?
We're talking about fathers whose children are in foster care, so really looking at fathers out in the community. We're trying to reach out with those fathers, going to different community resources such as W2, the Department of Corrections, connecting with child support, to really engage our fathers, bring them back into the picture, and really get them on board with their children, making them an active member of the family.
And what are the things that you have to do? I mean, what are their challenges that those fathers need to overcome in order for them to be in a healthy relationship again with their children?
A lot of times fathers don't even recognize it or know that they are fathers, so it's finding those fathers, letting them know that they are a father, they've had all that time pass, and really reconnecting them back with who their family case manager is, getting them reconnected with their child, how old they are, what school they're going to, any medical or dental conditions that they have, and just really starting visits and forming that relationship again.
And Rick, I imagine in some of these situations, these are fathers who maybe can't take on the responsibility of taking a child into the home necessarily, but you try to reach out to family as well.
Absolutely. The entire family can be a great support, a lifetime support network for the child. The relationships with grandparents, aunts, uncles, all those relationships are very important for kids who are in foster care or other child welfare settings. So we try to get all those family members involved in case planning, and so the child can have more success.
And what are the things that you have to do? Do you deal on any end with the children also, or are you just on the father end? I mean, I would imagine for the child there's a lot of things to which they need to adjust as well.
Yeah, there is a primary case manager who's involved with the child, but certainly the relationship that the child doesn't develop with these relatives, maybe relatives they didn't know before, that's very important. So we try to make sure that we're very conscious of their emotional needs as well.
And Mandy, I imagine it's just what you see is it's so important to get these children with family whenever possible.
Definitely. We want parents to be involved, but whenever a parent can't be involved, for instance, working with fathers who are incarcerated, obviously they can't look at placement, but we can still open it up to that child and that paternal side of the family, maternal side of the family, to really step forward and look at taking placement of that child.
Well, thanks so much for being here, sharing something that probably a lot of folks had no idea about. And if this struck a nerve with you or sounds like something that you need more information on, the Fatherhood Engagement Program, you can call the phone number on your screen. It's 414-453-1400.